Let's create a look using mostly Huda Beauty makeup. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've been a fan of Huda Beauty since her makeup journey and I can't wait, so let's get to it. I'm going to quickly prep my skin as I don't have a moisturizer or primer from Huda Beauty. So I'm just using the Waleda Skin Food. I'm going to quickly set my eyebrows as well. I'm actually using the foundation stick for the first time. I had the liquid foundation of Huda, but unfortunately it broke me out really bad, and that was many years ago, and I haven't actually had the chance to purchase another foundation of her, so I'm just trying out her foundation stick. And I picked up the shade Toasted Coconut, so hopefully it's the right shade for me. Blend that out. I actually like the way cream products blend onto my skin because of how dry my skin actually is. I actually like the way it's looking on my skin. It's not super full coverage, but it's giving the right amount of coverage at the same time. Next I'm going to do some color correcting, and this is in the shade Peach. I'm going to quickly do an eyeshadow look whilst my corrector sets. So this is my favourite palette. It's the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. You could tell how much I love it because look at the state of it. I have other palettes that I love, but today we are going with this. I'm going to use the shade Sandalwood as a transition. Huda Beauty is finally getting the hype that she deserves on TikTok because of her values, and she is supporting the right causes. Next I'm going to deepen that up with the shade Cocoa. Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadows, so I'm just going to use the matte side of it. I'm going to keep the eye look very simple because my lashes are quite dramatic, the ones that I have from Huda Beauty, just so that the lash band doesn't show up that much. I'm just going to smoke it out as well. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer, which is actually the shade Meringue, and it's quite light for my complexion, but I like a highlighted look. Unfortunately, I don't have a cream bronzer, so I'm just using whatever I have. I used to have the Tantor, but I ran out. I'll quickly add some blush. Now I'm just blending out this concealer. I'm going over the rest of my face using the sponge just to blend everything out. One of my favourite products from Huda Beauty is the loose powders. I have a few shades, so I have the shade in Poundcake and I have it in Cherry Blossom, and I've recently been sent the new shade which is Peach Pie, and I've also received the color corrector in a Cherry Blossom. I'm excited to try that, but that might be for another video. So let's just go in with the Cherry Blossom shade in the loose powder. This makes your under eyes super bright. And even though I have quite warm undertones, this doesn't make my skin look ashy at all. Which is the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mascara. Add some to the lower lashes because my false lashes are going to be quite dramatic, so it will just balance it out. Now to my favourite part, the lips. I have a few of her lip liners that I love. These are my favourite lip liners, and her liquid lipsticks are amazing. Picked up the lip contour in Vixen. It's like a burgundy colour. Her lip liners glide on so smoothly. I'm gonna quickly just blend this out a little bit with my fingers. And for liquid lipstick, I'm going in with the shade Sugar Boo. And quickly conceal around my lips. Now the lashes. This is in the style Farah, and look how dramatic these are. I actually never wore this style before. Whoa, that is dramatic. Let's get these on. How do these look? I think they're super dramatic and actually like weighing my eyes down a little bit. I'm not really comfortable with thick lashes like these. And that's done for the look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment what is your favorite Huda Beauty product. Mine is her loose powders.